So Nissan recognized the strengths in Ontario's thriving automobile ecosystem combined with expertise in AI and manufacturing. So we worked with Acerta to accelerate the development of this new technology for our vehicles to bring future tangible benefit to our customers. And we are excited to continue our partnership.
I'm excited to be here today in the Waterloo region for the demonstration of technology between Acerta and Nissan. Through the support of the Ontario government through OVIN, we were able to support Acerta to work with Nissan Research to develop their failure prediction technology. And here today, we're seeing it on a Nissan vehicle in real life.
We were excited to develop predictive analytics for Nissan to improve passenger safety, reduce unexpected repairs, and help Nissan customers save money. We're grateful for the support that this project received from the Government of Ontario through OVIN.